A very good morning to all of you children. Thank you. Sit down. Children, you know, if we want to go from this corner to this corner, we may go by walk. Okay? Rather, we may go by running. And if you want to catch something, snatch something from anybody else, so you can or we can die also, right? So to go from one place to another place, one point to another point, we have to walk or run or make a dive, right? So children, you can see here some people are going from one place to another place by using some other things, like here is bullock cart. Boy sitting here on bullock cart, and they are going one place to another place, right? Some people are going by walking, you know, and this boy is running. You can see here, this boy is running. This boy is also running, but you can see this girl is making a dive. Okay? Making a dive like this. So children, thus we can say there are different actions to displace anything, to what we can say, to go from one place to another place. Okay? In this scene, we can see 2-3 persons here. They are running. They are running. People, this is the unit 3, and we will see the poem Run. And from run, we can get a word running. Run. Okay? Now children, see this poem Run. Now we have to read this poem and enjoy this poem. Okay? This is the poem written by Mar Dam. Now I am going to recite this poem line by line, stanza by stanza, and you have to put your finger on your page in your textbook on that particular stanza, particular line, and on that particular word also. So today, how to recite this poem, I am going to show you one idea only. You may recite this poem in different ways, as you can enjoy this poem. Okay. Away from the city and into the sun. Okay, repeat with me. Away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country, run, run, run. Children, here the poet to make us learn that why we are going to run away, बहुत दूर से, शहर के बहुत दूर जा करके, और and into the sun, पूरी धूप में, out to the country. Here country means the surrounding where the people live. Okay, run run run. और हम दौड़ते रहते हैं, दौड़ते रहते हैं, दौड़ते रहते हैं. So we must run. It is very much helpful to maintain our health. Running makes us fit also. It is a good exercise. You see. So repeat with me. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Right? Now children, we will see next stanza. Run in the raindrops, run with the trees. You know, raindrops. These are the raindrops. Okay? These are the raindrops. Whenever water drops from upside to downward, they are called the raindrops. As we know that this season is rainy season, so we can easily see outside the raindrops. Run in the raindrops, run with the trees. Suppose this is a tree. You can see this is a tree. So, neath the tree means under this tree. Okay? Under this tree, the children are playing. Okay? Underneath this tree. So, children, repeat with me. Run in the raindrops, run with the trees. Run little races with each little breeze. Okay? So, children, हमें कहाँ कहाँ दौड़ना है, ये कवि ने हमें बताया है. रन इन द रेन ड्रॉप्स, पानी गिर रहा है, बरसात का मजा लीजिए. वी हैव टू एंजॉय द रेनफॉल आल्सो. एंड रन विद द ट्रीज, बीनीथ दिस ट्री वी मस्ट रन देयर. रन लिटिल रेसेस, हमें बहुत ज्यादा एकदम से नहीं दौड़ना है, छोटे छोटे पार्ट में दौड़ना है. रन लिटिल रेसेस, लिटिल मतलब छोटे छोटी दौड़ करनी है. जैसे यू नो इन टूर्नामेंट यू कैन सी 100 मीटर रेस, 200 मीटर रेस, 800 मीटर रेस, 1000 मीटर रेस, 2000 मीटर रेस, like this. With each little breeze, you know this word breeze. Whenever the cool air comes from the seaside, it makes us very cool and pleasant. This type of air is called breeze, which comes from the seaside. Suppose that this is a sea. And whenever the air comes from this side, it makes us very cool. So this is called a breeze. This is called breeze. Now the next stanza. run down the run down the hillside. Run down the hillside, run up the lane. You can see there are this type of structures found in our earth, and these are called the hills. They are not much high, they are not mountains, but they are small mountain, and they are called in general hills. So children must run down the hillside where the footpath goes closer to this what we can say hills. So run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow. You know meadow. Suppose that this area is full of paddy grass, and this grassland is called meadow. This is called meadow. This is called meadow. Okay, here is some problem on the blackboard. This is meadow. This area is called meadow. This area is called meadow, right? And children, you can say, then run back again. Then run back again. If you have run forward, then you have to run back again. Not backward. You have to turn and go back. Not this way, but this way. You have to turn back and then run. So this is called then run back again. Run and be merry. दौड़िए और खुश रहिए all through the day. पूरे दिन भर. It will make you fresh, very fit. So, our poet wants to make us fit through running, through walking, all through the day. Run to the country away, away. So, there is hidden some importance of exercise here, we can say, and running is the one of the exercise. Running is one of the exercise, and good exercise we can say. Now children, here is some new words we have already discussed here. Can you find the meanings of these words? You know, raindrops. I have already told you the raindrops. When the water falls from upside, just like from the sky, the raining is coming down on the ground. So this is rainfall, and these are the raindrops. Correct? Nith. Nith means under, beneath. We can say beneath. Nith means beneath. Upside, just like the both children are playing beneath the tree. Now the breeze, whenever the air comes through the seaside, suppose that this is sea, and whenever the cool air comes from this side, it makes us feel very cool, very fresh. Thus we can say the air is breeze. Now the hillside, I have made to clear it. These are the hills and there is a footpath. So this area is called hillside, right? And now meadow, it is very clear. It is a grassy land, shaded grassy land. Okay. Here is meadow. And merry means happy. So we are coming across this poem, and we are now very happy, we are merry. So again, children, you all have to recite this poem with me. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run with the raindrops, run in the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. Right? So now children, you have one more thing to do, new words. From whom you have to write down all these new words and write their meanings in your notebook. Thank you.